All right, what's up, guys? Welcome to today's recap. Today, um, honestly, kind of sad day because I knew where Price wanted to go, but sadly couldn't get an entry, which sucks. But hey, it is where it is. And there was a couple of possible setups. So going into today, I was bearish. London did what? Let me go here. Boom. London did what? We manipulated higher and we put in an SMT here with this high, which was previously high. Um, then we ended up dumping lower and we got this hourly IFG and fair value up, so it is a VPR and I was expecting it to hold and we also ended up going to equilibrium of the range. We edged OTE, but yeah. Um, on the lower time frame, we were generating liquidity. So if we go on the 1 minute, what were we doing? Well, first of all, we had relative equal lows with this low here, if I can go. And this is pretty much a data wick. It's like a strong candle down. I'm guessing it is some fucking bullshit as Trump, whatever thing were. Bro, today there was so many of those. Like, there was a setup that I was looking up. I ended up getting a Trump candle to it, to the level. So I didn't take it, but it delivered. But yeah, and I said, I think that we get a Judas to the upside at open and then we dump. So this is where what I wanted to see happen. And that is what happened at open. Boom, we ended up taking out this high. And then we immediately dump. We ended up putting an SMT with this high as well. Boom. So I was looking at this high as protected. And we also tapped this 15-minute fair value gap. And then we put in this 5-minute RV. And taking the opening price, bro, look at how big of a stop loss it is. So I'm just not gonna take that. I'm gonna take CE, try and be more precise. And I had a 20-point stop. I was gonna have a 20-point stop. Obviously, it never got tagged in. And I was gonna target like this lows here. Um, there was a 1 hour RV, bullish RV, but obviously I was not looking for longs, and I think that taking longs out of here is fucking stupid. Why? Well, first of all, the low is a data low. Second of all, you're targeting a protected high. Third of all, the draw on liquidity is lower. So if you were if you were to take this, even though okay, we have EL. Look at this EL. Boom. What else? Oh, 5-minute order block. I don't know what else. EM level, or even though it's a bit higher, but whatever. Even though we have the EL and whatever, it would have been a pattern trade. Uh, yeah, as you can see, no reaction at all out of it. Was not even considering longs. This thing here was just on demo. Like the drawn liquidity was so obvious that I feel like just taking shorts would have been the right move. But yeah. Uh, and then boom, we ended up trading lower, and the drawn liquidity here, it was what? This low here. I was looking at this RB for a possible type of retracement type of long, but like just look at how we're going to it. So I didn't like that. Um, like I didn't like how we were approaching the level. And then boom, we put in relative equal lows with this low, and what do? We just manipulate higher into what? OTE of this range. And what else? A 15-minute fair value gap. Boom, we tap the fair value gap. We ended up getting boom manipulation here, putting in liquidity right there. So I feel like this pattern, I've seen it a lot this recent past of days. We do something like this, boom, this high is protected, and then boom. And that's pretty much what happened on the level that I was looking at. Um, and it was, I think, what was it? Yeah, first it was a 5 minute RV, but then ended up being a 50-minute RV, as you can see right there. And it also aligned with 10 a.m. open. Boom, you could have had a 20-point stop. I feel like I would have maybe done this to have a stop at the high, but to risk not getting to make sure you get filled, I feel like entry at 10 a.m. would have been perfect. Um, and yeah, and as soon as we got the 50-minute RV, it was at 10:45. That's when it closed. Look at the next handle. I am never gonna fucking limit that shit, bro. Like that's so scary, and we got the 50-minute RV there, and I don't really tend to put limits when we're so far away from the level. I try to put limits. If we're like around here, I'll put limits or whatever. But I want like, bro, look at this shit. I'm just not gonna take that. Fuck that. Um, but it did end up delivering, and it was a pretty nice trade. You could have cut like a 7 RR, honestly. Uh, and yeah, that's pretty much it for today. Like this setup here, my opinion, trade of the day. Uh, like bro, it just sucks how we went to it to the level because I really wanted this, but like yeah, I'm just not gonna limit that. So annoying, but it is what it is. And then boom, another Trump candle, bro. Like what the fuck are we doing, honestly? I think there was even another one after. Boom, bro. Like one there, one there. Like so many random spikes up. I don't like so annoying. But yeah, really nice trade here. In my opinion, I really like this. This trade, I guess you could have taken it on ES, but I feel like even though ES is the weaker asset, it is right market open. I'm saying, oh, like expecting. I don't know. I feel like market open volatility, expecting this SMT to hold right at open. 930 candle when we're heavily pumping like this. I don't think anyone with a right mind would take that. So I think that this is simply hindsight. So yeah, and that's pretty much it for today. I don't know if there was anything else. That's what I pretty much saw for in terms of taking levels. Uh, and then bro, look at this fucking bullshit ass war news. I don't think. Oh my gosh, bro. Oh my gosh, should not be serious. 700 points. That's crazy. Mm, I really wanted to see equilibrium, honestly. I really hope that we just. I mean, looking at this, bro, like I just can't be bearish. Looking at this, bro, like look at all of these highs that we have here. Uh, but I just wanted to be a bit more bearish, bro. I want to see equilibrium of this range. We always tend to go to it, so yeah. But I don't know if I'll even trade tomorrow, bro. Like I wanna see what Asia and London do. Although Asia's pretty much right now. Asia's just accumulating. I mean, if Asia keeps accumulating, and then we have, I mean, holy fuck, London manipulate lower or something, maybe even higher, because I could see a rebalance of this whole thing. Then I could see New York being decent, but yeah, I'll see it tomorrow. And yeah, that is pretty much it for today, and peace out.